Hi everyone, this is AP Singh. I welcome you all on my channel Medicos Marathi. Hope you all are happy and healthy. My dear friends, today we are going to discuss cellular events of acute inflammation. Okay, so before starting our today's discussion, I want to request all those who are new to my channel, my dear friends, subscribe my channel and press on notification bell icon so that you can get updates for all important upcoming videos. Okay, so my dear friends, our today's discussion topic is cellular events of acute inflammation, or you can say events of leukocyte recruitment to the site of inflammation. Okay, so my dear friends, today I am going to discuss only the basic things about the steps. Okay, the basic knowledge which you need for your exam. Okay, in short form. Okay, I am telling only in short form. So first thing which you must remember, that the most important leukocyte in any inflammatory reaction are macrophage and neutrophil. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ल्यूकोसाइट क्या है किसी भी इंफ्लामेटरी रिएक्शन में, वो क्या है, मैक्रोफेज है एंड न्यूट्रोफिल है. ओके, व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट थिंग, द स्टेप्स, द इवेंट्स आर नाउ, there are total 7 events. Okay, there are total 7 event and the first one is margination. Okay, first one event क्या है, margination. During margination is the initial step, and when the leukocytes start moving, during moving there are two things present on leukocyte. First one is sialyl X levis glycoprotein, and another one is integrin. And this integrin here which is present, it is present in a low power. Okay, in its low power, low active state. Okay, here it's present in low active state. यहाँ पर क्या है, दो चीजें प्रेजेंट है. फर्स्ट वन क्या है, सियालिल एक्स लेविस. दूसरा क्या है, इंटीग्रिन है, लेकिन वो क्या है, खुद की लो एक्टिव स्टेट में है, लो एफिनिटी स्टेट में है. सो दिस स्टेप इज मार्जिनेशन. when the cell leukocyte start moving, okay, you can say it as a macrophage or you can say it as a neutrophil. Okay, so after when it start margination, normal movement in the blood vessel, after that the selectins are present on endothelial layer. These selectins attract the leukocyte toward the endothelial layer. Okay, and when these attract toward the leukocyte toward the endothelial layer of blood vessel, the rolling process start. Okay, so the rolling process is complete by selectins. Now your question is that which selectin complete the rolling. So there are two selectin present. Okay, two selectins are present there, p selectin and e selectin. Okay, which selectin, p selectin and e selectin. And these selectin are present in their active state. And how they get activated, these selectin are get activated by cytokines TNF and IL-1, interleukin 1. These get activated and these attract the leukocyte toward the endothelial layer for completing the process rolling. After completing, when the rolling is near to end and before starting of next event or next step, proteoglycan, okay, proteoglycan joins the leukocyte. E selectin and p selectin already joined. Now the another thing which is joining, that is proteoglycan. Okay, and this after joining of proteoglycan, the integrins will move to their high affinity state. Okay, integrins will move to their high affinity state, and after that the adhesion process will start, adhesion step will start. And in adhesion, the molecule, the most important thing which completes adhesion, that is ICAM1 or integrin ligand. You can also say it as an integrin ligand, that is ICAM1. Okay, so rolling में क्या चीज याद रखनी है, दो चीजें. रोलिंग में दो चीजें क्या याद रखनी है, टू थिंग्स, ई सिलेक्टिन एंड पी सिलेक्टिन. ओके, मार्जिनेशन में क्या था, sialyl X levis glycoprotein, and here in between proteoglycan joined and the adhesion process is started. And the integrin ligand, the molecule which is completing the adhesion, that is ICAM1. After adhesion, next step is dipedesis. Okay, dipedesis, or you can say transmigration. Okay, transmigration means dipedesis and transmigration means when the leukocyte cross the endothelial layer. Okay, when it's crossing the endothelial layer, this crossing of leukocyte is transmigration. Okay, and this transmigration is completed by a molecule which is present on endothelial layer, that is PCAM1. Okay, or you can say CD31. So adhesion completed by ICAM1, tripedase is completed by PCAM1, और you can say CD31. तो इंटीग्रीन से क्या याद रखना है, ICAM, adhesion को कौन कंप्लीट कर रहा है, इंटीग्रीन, इंटीग्रीन मतलब ICAM1, डाइपेडेसिस में PE, PE मीन्स PCAM1 और CD31, रोलिंग में क्या है, सिलेक्टिन्स है, ठीक है। So rolling completed by selectins, adhesion completed by integrins, ICAM1, dipedase is completed by PCAM1 or CD31. So what is next step? After transmigration, after this crossing, here are present many chemicals. Okay, here are present many chemicals. Okay, these chemicals or chemical stimulus will attract the leukocyte toward themselves, and this attraction and this movement of leukocyte toward the chemicals is chemotaxis. Okay, so leukocyte की movement chemicals की तरफ, ओके जो केमिकल्स थिंग्स जो बाहर प्रेजेंट है, ओके उनकी तरफ जो मूवमेंट है वो क्या है, दैट मूवमेंट ऑफ ल्यूकोसाइट टुवर्ड केमिकल इज कीमोटैक्सिस. व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट स्टेप, नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज ऑप्सोनाइजेशन. ओके, ऑप्सोनाइजेशन, opsonization means first thing you have to remember that there are opsins present on any molecule. Okay, and these opsins generally lead activation of phagocyte. Okay, what opsins do, they activate phagocytes to complete the process, or they give order to phagocytes that you start phagocytosing cell. Okay, the current cell. And here the opsin, the most important opsin is IgG. Okay, so you have to remember the most opsin is IgG. Most important opsin क्या है, IgG. And this here give order to phagocytes, and this giving order to phagocytes to start phagocytosing cell, this is opsonization. And after opsonization, another process is phagocytosis, another process is phagocytosis. Okay, phagocytosis means engulfing a cell. Okay, engulfing a cell and finishing this cell completely. Okay, finishing this cell completely. So these are 7 steps of, or you can say 7 events of leukocyte recruitment, or you can say cellular events of acute inflammation. So here by a GIF I'm going to say I'm going to present these events in front of you. You can watch this event by pausing your video. Okay, so here you can say first it is margination, then rolling, then adhesion. Okay, so initial, here margination, here rolling, here adhesion, and here dipedesis, and here chemotaxis, and here finally it is phagocytosis and it is killing. Okay, so these events, these are 7 events. One event is missing, opsonization, which I told you. So my dear friends, this is about our today's topic. Hope you all understand this topic. If you feel that it is very helpful, so my dear friends, you can share this event or share this video with your friends and say them to subscribe my channel. And if till now this time you not subscribe my channel my dear friends, and press on notification bell icon so that you can get updates for all important upcoming videos. So my dear friends, one important thing, in the description you can also get link for my Instagram page. You can also follow me on my Instagram. Okay, so my dear friends, thanks to everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy.